Hello, I am a crafter. I am making gnomes, knitting gnomes mostly, and I would like to share my experience. Let's see what kind of orders do we have today. This is my store on Etsy. Okay, let's see. llcraftingstore.etsy.com. Okay, there's two hats. I already have them. No problem. It's a repeat customer. She left a nice review, and now I have sold two. Okay, customer bought those two. They are last one in my shop, and this will be others. Just need to finish, and I will have them until supplies last. I got those fuzzy yarn on Facebook pretty cheap at some time, and I am finishing them, and I will not buy new ones. If I would buy new ones for the price of the hat I get, the yarn is too expensive. What else do I have? I have the white with a white butterfly. This is very fancy yarn. I need to knit hat. We have bodies, but we need hat. Pretty big order. It's a sports team fans buying gifts. I think they bought two and two, total four. Okay, I will need to work on that. I'm not sure I have it, all of them. Let's see how crafter storage looks like. Okay, I know I have team. Okay, the bodies are the same like I did with my silver gnome today. Okay, I'm not sure I have gnomes. I think I will need to knit. Okay, I will need to knit. Let's check the yarn. I need blue. I need some yellow. I need white. I already have here to finish. Okay, some work. They have pre-made bodies. I use this kind of foam, then some felt, dark felt on top. This is my bodies for team gnomes. This team gnomes, this year I had 249 views and 30 kind of likes and 23 sales. This gnome, I have much more, and I will share it with you later. Okay, this is the life of the crafter, the real crafter, not just stalker. I really have knitting and packing, and I'm making money still. Not so good like used to be, but still I can. This hustle is pretty good. You can sell on Etsy, just you have to know what to make. And I love my gnomes very much. And okay, if you like this kind of video, I could share more often what kind of orders I have, what I do. Just make a comment, ask questions if you need to, and subscribe to help me to have this mood to make videos, because you are just doing craft, and it's faster when you need to do video and upload video and do all other things. It takes some time. If nobody needs it, that's fine, but if you like it, please let me know. Okay, have a good day. I will be around and I will share more.